When will the world economy recover? Is lifting lockdowns the solution? Has consumer behavior changed forever? The world as we know is facing one of its most challenging times. But there is light at the end of the tunnel and world economies are slowly starting to recover. So how will this pan out over the next few months and what is the path to recovery? There are four possible scenarios that might play out as the world sets on its path to recovery. First, a V-shaped recovery. A V-shaped recovery is wherein the economy rebounds at the same pace it had contracted. This assumes that when lockdowns across the world are lifted, consumer demand will return to normal and people who have been laid off will be rehired. V-shaped recoveries usually take 6 to 12 months for the economy to be back on track. The next possibility, a U-shaped recovery. For most sectors, it will take some time to restart manufacturing facilities which had been shut down, rehire employees who have been laid off, and businesses to return to normal. The automobile industry, for example, will take a while to recover, especially because consumers will put away discretionary purchases such as buying a car or a bike and instead conserve cash. These U-shaped recoveries usually take at least 1 to 2 years for the economy to be back to normal. This looks like a realistic scenario in the world today. The next possibility, an L-shaped curve. An L-shaped recovery means it could take years until the world economy gets back on track. For some sectors, it might be an L-shaped curve. The business has dropped off and it is unsure when it will recover. Travel and tourism, for example, will take a while to recover. Spontaneous trips, luxury cruises, and exotic destinations have all taken a backseat. The fundamental mindset of a consumer towards traveling to a new place has changed. L-shaped recoveries could mean the world economies would take at least 5 to 6 years to recover. Coming to the last but a very interesting curve, a W-shaped recovery. A W-shaped recovery means the economy starts looking better, but then there's a second downturn later this year or the next. This could happen because of reopening economies too quickly across countries and seeing a recurrence of a similar situation. Which one of these recovery curves is most likely to happen? Only time will tell. But like in every crisis, there are opportunities to make the world a better and safer place. Today, from a big corporate to a small startup, everybody is on the same level. This indeed is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to build your own startup or reinvent an existing one. So make the best of it and more importantly, keep innovating.